Class, in our book that I just read to you, Howard B. Wigglebottom, this little bunny, he made some choices. Some of his choices were good choices, like when he chose to listen, and some of his choices were not so good choices, like when he chose to not listen to his friends or his family or his teacher. And those choices that he chose, they really impacted or really made him feel a certain way. Like when he was making good choices, I noticed that his body and his face looked happy, right? I saw lots of smiles. But when he wasn't making good choices, I saw that a lot of times he was maybe frowny or unhappy with what happened, and in some cases, he even got hurt. So I want you to think about the choices that you have to make, and I want you to draw a picture in your reader's notebook of a time when you made a good choice and how it made you feel. So maybe it's you decided that you were going to listen to your big sister when they asked you to help them, and it made you feel really good inside, and your sister was really happy with you because you helped her. Maybe your teacher last year asked you to follow a school rule and you were able to do that successfully, and it made you feel really proud. So in your writer's notebook, I want you to draw a picture of that situation and how it made you feel, and then you can share it with an adult. Good luck.